Hey guys, Kenny from Kenny Customs. We've had a few messages come through about the speaker trims and how we make them, and a closer look. And I guess there's been questions across 4 years now, which is awesome. Thank you. Just questions regarding how we do things in general. So what I'll show you today quickly is just the speaker trims. I can't show you on the printers because, well, they're already done, but they're in front of me, and yeah, let's have a bit of a look at them, alright? So this is how they come off the printer. I've spent hours, nearly 100 hours, I reckon, just getting the design tweaked, not only to look good, perform well for you guys, but also to print properly. So it's a little bit of an art getting, especially ABS products on a 3D printer to work properly. You get issues with cold air coming across the part and cracking. The structure's gone in it, so these are I'm really pressing on that. These are quite strong. So yeah, we spent a lot of time on that, as well as just changing up the part a little bit, like around these clips. Constantly R&Ding to make sure that the parts I give you guys are the best I can give you. So yeah, that's how they come off. What I will do is a video of the 3D printers so you guys can actually see how much is involved in this. Anyway, so we move on from that. From this point, I have to actually acetone these to seal up all the little tiny gaps in all the layers for the ABS. Which takes, I try and leave them for 2 days at least, just to air out. That way when I put the primer down over the top, we're not going to have issues with the primer bubbling, which is something we've learnt along the way. So we sand them back. I'll just sit here for hours on me trusty old Makita, and we just sand. And you get little bits like that, which then we have to bog. There's no way around it. These all require bog. From that point, I go into primer. I use a De Beers high surface build primer and sand every single one back. What you'll find on most of my parts is the back side, it's always going to look 3D printed. I'm not going to spend hours on it. The part that matters is what you look at, and as long as the part is strong and looks aesthetically pleasing, we leave it that. Otherwise, you'll be paying, this is a $75 product, you'll be paying me $300 for me to do it 100%, and I can guarantee no one's going to want to pay that. Yeah, so we move into the primer, sand all that back again. If it needs it, if some reason I haven't gone enough with the bog, we pull it up higher, again with more primer, sand that back again. So I use a guide coat on everything. Basically I just sand that back until I don't see any more green, and that gives me a smooth flat finish. Then basically I come over here and I paint. So everything gets at least 2 coats. Sometimes just, I don't have a great big booth or anything. Sometimes I get some dust and I have to scuff it back again and hit it again with more paint. And that's just the truth of the matter. One day I'll get a nice big, and things will get better and better. But for now, that's what we do. That's how we do it. Glad I could finally show you. And yeah, I hope everyone has a great day. Cheers.